Your internet setup may have one box, two boxes, or more. Modem, router, switch, and access point are different jobs even when one box does several of them. Provider connection, modem, router, then your wired and wireless devices. A switch and access point can branch out after the router. That is the map. The modem is the provider-facing handoff. It works with the connection your provider delivers and turns it into a usable network link. The hardware can differ. The job is what matters. The router directs traffic between networks. At home, it usually sits between your local devices and the outside connection, sending requests out and returning replies to the right device. A switch adds wired connections, more Ethernet doors, not another internet boundary. An access point provides Wi-Fi access to that same local network. Switch equals wired device connections. Access point equals Wi-Fi connected devices. An ISP gateway may contain a modem, router, small switch, and access point in one rectangle. The names are not synonyms. The box is doing several jobs. Ask which job is failing or which job you need more of. Modem connects your service, router directs traffic, switch expands wired connections, access point provides Wi-Fi. Name the job and the blinking boxes get a lot less mysterious.